Okay guys, hello. Welcome back to Amazon Realtalk. This is our episode number 12. And today I want to show you how I spend my free time and a quick introduction about Amazon United Arab Emirates. So we just entered this market after 8 months of arranging, planning, researching, fighting, moving products. And finally the goods are there. They are online, ready to purchase, not all of them. We have about 9 ASINs that we choose to start, and right now I think 5 of them are active and 4 are stranded since Seller Central is not accepting our updates, and we need to delete and upload them again and again and again, and have a bit back and forth with the seller support to move on. So, quick overview, what do we have here? Yes, we have the regular menu that you all know. You need to know that right now the only possibility to research traffic inside Amazon is our brand analytics and search query performance, and here you can choose the brand and monthly volume, the year, and here you have the search volume and click rates and purchase rates for your products for the last month. All the other growth tools are not working, like Product Opportunity Explorer, so right now we are limited to this one. Or Helium X-Ray is also working in Emirates, I think since this year. So what else do we have is the storage limits. Yes, you can see here that there are actually limits. So we have 341 units out of 500. So it's not unlimited as it was in Japan. And even from the start you have limits, so make sure you don't put too much inventory to start. And we launched here over the partner program of Amazon with the RSA middlemen. So RSA, they basically have their warehouse in free zone, Dubai free zone. They take our goods in their warehouse and move it into the mainland. This allows us to save 5% on VAT when importing the products, and RSA, they take like per shipment commission, which is much lower than the 5% on our total inventory. So this is the way to go if you want to start and test out this market and move in your first products. What else do we have? If we for example, if you check out one of our products, for example this one, you can see on Emirates, you don't need any zip codes. You basically just have those 8 cities. Yeah, I don't know why it's 7 Emirates, but 8 cities. So the biggest one, most important for Amazon, is Dubai. And you have also the 2 languages, right? English and Arabian. But since 90% of the population in Emirates are expats, so English speaking, it's not a problem to do your description in English like we do. But sometimes you have Arabic keyword that you can add. You can see it here, for example. Search query volume. Okay, you can't even see. Maybe on page 2 I will see some, but still, as you see, they are not even there. Okay, more details about that after we have our first successes and after we move forward. Right now we did already first sales, and I want to expand it and have stable sales income and learn how we can get reviews and launch the products in this market, and then I can share in Arab Emirates Part 2. So thank you for joining, having this quick preview about Amazon United Arab Emirates. Have a nice day. Bye bye.